This is the guardrails. The guardrails is make the support for the protects for the inside of the stage and for the dancers and singers to make the stage set as a safe place, and very easy to install. This is you could see to install the aluminum chassis to make it the stage is much more professional and much more beautiful and much more strong. And if with the 4 aluminum chassis, the roof will support 2 tons, with about 2 tons bearing capacity. So the sound system and light system is no problem. And each stage with two stairs. You could see there. It's very strong to make the stage, protect the stage to as a safe place. The stage with the stage floor with the edge with the this is the aluminum cover to make the stage looks much more beautiful and like artwork. And you could see the stage floor is so much beautiful and so much professional. It's especially used for the dancers and performance. It's waterproof and anti-escape, and so the dancers and the actors and the singers in the inside of the stage will be much safe and much professional, much easy for them to dance here. We're going to see that each side of the stage, each side of the wings will have 3 cylinders. 1, 2, 3, and 3 cylinders. 1 cylinder could put 2 tons. So 3 cylinders is so much easy to put the wings to set up. And the stage is also with the 3 cylinders. This is the middle aluminum. The middle chassis with each side with 3 light box to for support a lot of system. So the 1 line is 3, 2 lines is totally 6 ladder switches. And each side with 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines for handling the ladder system, and middle is also 3 lines, and right side is also 3 lines. So totally it's 9 lines for handling the ladder system. So it's very enough for handling the ladder system. The roof system of designing is very professional and very enough and very enormous for you to use as the professional stage. It's very good, very professional and very good. And the guardrails with surround as a whole. The guardrails to make the stage as a safe place for the dancers and works, and also the singers to sing and dance in the stage. The stage area is 100 and more than 100 square meters. The length is 30 meters and the width is 9 meters. So the total is 110 square meters of the stage. And the stage is all hydraulic. Now it's the nice roof. Now the roof is it's lifting. I will show you. We could see that the roof is lifting. The roof.高峰哪遥控器嘞？高峰嘞？人嘞？搁车上嘞？搁车上动了吗？哎，高峰，是在车上举的吗？在车上举的吗？Now we use the still press this button for the roof to lift. Now the roof is lifting. We can see that the roof is lifting. The roof could lift to as 4.7 meters length. The stage roof to the stage floor is 4.6 to 4.7 meters. It's very high, and the height from the floor to the stage floor, from the ground to the stage floor is 1.6 meters. It's very high, very good height for to the audience. And roof could lift it as the roof to the ground is it's 6.2 meters. 6.2 meters, just like two long buildings. It's very high, a very professional stage. It's very huge, and our hydraulic stage has exported to Kenya and served as the president election of 2017 years for Kenya president election. It's very it attracts more than 20,000 audience, and the the operation is very professional, very professional. The height looks very, the height looks so much good, very good, very strong and very professional for the stage. It's very huge, and this is as 30 meters length, and we could do the normal biggest we could do is ST 150. Which means that the length of the stage is 50 meters, and that looks much more bigger. And if you want to 70 meters and 20 meters, it's also okay. And we could make the stage as long as possible for you meet your requirements. And also the stage square meters, if you think that it's not big as enough, and we could add the manual stage to add the manual stage to extend the stage much more bigger. You will see that this is stage, and when stage roof is ready, it's 4.7 meters height from the roof to the stage floor. It looks much more beautiful, much more strong, and much more professional for you to hold the stages, to organize the events. And the square meters, the stage size is 110 square meters.
主要看着这个高度了，
7吧，6米。
原先不是4.38米吗？
对，这个差不多，对，这这么高。
比你哈萨克斯坦那你感觉一下，比那个高。
比那个，这感觉就还像回事。
你想做到6米以后啥感觉？做到6米以后再高1.5米。
我想知道，如果你多这么高啊，高度然后多这么高，其实你用了材料多没多地方呀？
有点是技术不一样。
技术不一样啊，那
Now we connect the aluminum trusses. To make it support the stage roof. On this, you could see that the sound system could handle the extra bass, and it looks really so professional. And with the aluminum trusses, the roof could support 2 tons totally, and each side of the sound system, the land area, it could support 500 kilogram each side. We could see that the whole stage looks much more professional and much more effective and much more strong and much powerful. So with SINOSWAN stages, your events will be much more easy and much more safe and much more quick and much more powerful.
爸爸，这里的人怎么那么少呀？ It looks so much good, so much professional, and so much beautiful, so much strong, so much good for the outdoor events. Really very good. From the roof to the ground, the height is 6.2 meters. It's very high and looks very strong. So much good, so much beautiful. all the work looks like other work, and it's really very quality and very super mounted in the quality and other work. And the hydraulic system we use is the super hydraulic support system in China, and we make this hydraulic system as customized and makes it look more beautiful and looks much more safe. And the safety is our first concern. And we make the stage. We make the stage is so much more strong since the hydraulic system with our mobile stages with four hydraulic systems with four safety systems. Each hydraulic cylinders will have the hydraulic locks, and also in the outside of the hydraulic system with the hydraulic locks, and also the locking pins. And when the stage is off, and we use the locking pins. The locking pins guarantee that the stage will not. And this set and the other setters, so it is diagonal.
然后那个可以。
The locks, and this is the hydraulic model. Whereas so the four safety system to guarantee the stages. Our mobile stages is very safe and very it's in very safety conditions. So when you organize the event and when the actors and singers dancing in hydraulic in our with our hydraulic stages, you will be guaranteed that the safety is be ensured. So don't worry about the safety. So just enjoy the stage, just enjoy the event. So make the event so much more beautiful to attract your audience, attract your clients, to make your stage, make your events much more attractive and much more beautiful, much more strong, with some small stages, without stages. So you really deserve to have it. You really deserve to have it.
第二个叫他看了没？
看了。
啊，那他在录啊。不是。
This is the electric lines and also this electric box to supply the electric for the whole stages. And for the stage, each square meters of stages will can support 500 kilograms. So people dance there is so much good. It's no. 陈总，可以把那个上面蹦蹦跳跳，我来看一下，蹦蹦跳跳，再蹦蹦跳跳。You see, each square meters could support 500 kilograms. So don't worry about the stage. So the stage floor could support 100. For this stage could support 100 to 150 people in the stages. So people dance there and sing there is really very good and don't worry about the stage. So the stage is very strong for you to make the events.
炸的时候黑色
黑色上
结束了？OK 了是吧？
就像那个上网。
So now the stage is ready. It's ready. Yes. So SINOSWAN welcomes you to book and make the inquiry and book our mobile stages. You really deserve to have it since we have the Chinese price and the world superpower quality. Now it's very good. So you really deserve to have it. So don't worry and welcome to book from us. Thank you.